what is the required return of fund Q? So to answer that question, we are going to look at the CAPM model, where the formula says that the required return on the asset, on the project, on the stock, is going to be the risk-free rate, right, plus some beta coefficient multiplied by the risk premium, which is going to be market risk minus the risk-free rate. Now, what is important to note here is that when we're talking about an entire portfolio, we need to know that the risk-free rate is given. The beta value here must be the beta value of the entire portfolio, right, multiplied by the risk premium of the portfolio. And the risk premium was actually answered in question 2.1. So let's substitute our values, and we're going to say the required return is equal to risk-free, which is 5.5, plus the beta value which we've worked out, which is 1.2, multiplied by the risk premium, which was done earlier as a percentage, is 4.375. Let me just verify that that was the figure we had earlier. And so you can type this whole thing in the calculator. Remember that you must apply BODMAS, which is 1.2 multiplied by 4.375 first. 1.2 multiplied by 4.375, and that gives us an answer, 5.25 plus 5.5. And so now we have a required rate of return for the portfolio that comes to 10.75. Remember that these returns are percentages, and so therefore we must have the percentage sign. Okay, now, yeah, so there we go, required return of fund Q. Beta of the portfolio, risk premium of the portfolio that we found earlier in 2.1.